Show us the bundle. Today is Mason's 8th birthday, and he's doing his first Stitch Fix unboxing, January 20th, 2019. We have two. Hold that one up. Put all the paper in here. So Stitch Fix Kids, for those of you who don't know, comes with this fun box with ideas on how to play with it and use it in different crafts and projects. And it also comes with stickers, a fun challenge you can enter, the return envelope for the items you don't want to keep, and the price list. And a note from his stylist. That's the Under Armour color blocked graphic tee. Okay, next one. It says Game Changer. That's the Smiles for Miles classic long sleeve raglan graphic tee. That's the Griff long sleeve color block raglan by Taylor Vintage. That is the T Collection graphic zip hoodie. Got a lot of stuff. Next one is Gannon long sleeve ombre pullover by Sovereign Code. Oh, we got some jeans. That's the Bradley Rad Kinetic Stretch Slim Stretch Denim by Joe's Jeans. That's a fancy sweater. That's the Ike Cable Knit Crew Neck Pullover by Atlas. Is it soft? Yeah. That looks like a jacket. That's the Brooklyn Cloth Chadford Color Blocked Windbreaker. And the next one is the Sovereign Code Ulysses Varsity Quilted Bomber. Guess that's another jacket. And that's the last one. That is Threads for Thought Essentials Jogger. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and try them on, okay?
Alright, so for Mason's next outfit, he is wearing the T Collection graphic zip hoodie and the Bradley Rad Kinetic Stretch Slim Stretch Denim jeans. And underneath the hoodie, he has the Griff long sleeve color block raglan long sleeve shirt. So, which one do you like the best?
I like the shirt.
Do you like the jeans or the The hoodie?
I like the hood and not really the jeans.
Why don't you like the jeans?
Because, they're still a little too big.
Stand up? Yeah, we had to roll the bottoms. They're a little long and a little baggy. Go ahead and take the hoodie off. So you like that shirt, right? You want to keep that one? You might grow into those jeans though, right? As you get bigger? Okay, you want to put the next one on? So for Mason's next outfit, he is trying on the Under Armour color blocked graphic tee. There's little brother. and the Ulysses varsity quilted bomber jacket. It's like a sweater. More of like a sweater than a jacket, right?
Or like a hood.
Yeah, hoodie. So what do you like? You like you don't like the shirt?
Yeah, because it's still like really cool because it's really, really thin. Like if it's cold.
You don't like the material?
No, it's okay. I mean, yeah, because it's thin.
So it's not appropriate for the season. That's what you're saying. And as you can smile really big, you can see he lost his 2 teeth. All right, so you want to keep the sweater, the hoodie?
Yeah.
So Mason put on the next outfit, which he's been wearing the same jeans. He just changed his top. And this one is the Ike Cable Knit Crew Neck Pullover by Atlas. And do you like this one?
Kind of.
Why only kind of? Show us, stand up, show us the sweater. What's wrong with the sleeves? Do the other one. They're a little too long. It's just a really big sweater. Want to try a different one? Finally, we have the last shirt. Stand up so we can see it. It's a little big, right?
Yeah.
It looks comfy though. Do you like it?
It's comfy.
Do you like the color?
Yeah.
Would you wear that to school?
Yeah.
You would? That one is the Gannon long sleeve ombre pullover. You want to keep that one? Yeah, that's going to be in the keep pile. Overall, what did you think of this? Overall, what did you think of this box? You got 10 clothing items and you tried on different outfits. Would you want to do it again? With different clothes? Yeah, you liked it? What would you say is your favorite thing out of the whole box? The joggers. Yeah, they were really comfy. Alright, and that is it for Mason's first Stitch Fix box. Say bye. So Mason ended up liking most of the box, and these are the prices. And it just made more sense to keep everything because you get a 25% discount, giving us a total of $161.50, which is about $16 per item since you get 10 items. So that's not too bad. So we're just going to keep the whole box this time.